Schedule a drive in the new Chevrolet Silverado as soon as possible. We're the Texas hub, specializing in new and previously owned Chevrolet cars, trucks and SUVs in the North Texas area. We service other local areas near Dallas such as Highland Park, Cockrell Hill, Balch Springs, Grand Prairie, Seagovland. We take pleasure in being a Dallas-based Chevrolet facility that is dedicated to providing our customers with hospitable and unthreatening staff, superior accommodation, first-class customer support reputation. Contact us first if you're looking for a Chevrolet Silverado, or stop by for a test ride in the best deal on the Silverado today.